PyCharm printing true when importing nltk. I have the following code running in PyCharm using Anaconda Package Manager with Python 3.6. And I am getting this result in the console of PyCharm. When I run this in the command line of Python, output is normal as expected. It appears the import statement of nltk module is printing true. Any thoughts would be appreciated. I have already tried invalidate caches, restart option in PyCharm.
I got so sick of using Anaconda that I ended up uninstalling it and just installed Python clean from python.org, and the issue went away in PyCharm.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.